Hello everyone. How are you? Welcome to another awesome update day. Update day. So, as you can see here, we have the new updates for our wallet Star. So I'm already logged in, and I'm gonna put a link on the Telegram, Discord, and all social media so you can download it via Google Drive for now. But this is our latest update in regards to the wallet, and I think it's pretty cool because we have many things that we have done. We have added, of course, some needed disclaimers, our website addresses, Telegram. If you want support on our Telegram channel, you don't know where we are at. I just put it right here, and it will bring you over to our Telegram. Info has stayed basically the same. The main thing that we have actually focused on has been the decks, where you can now see that we're looking at different modes. We have manual, which is like just regular swapping. This is something that we have already done in the past. We have not done yet or implemented the updates from Spallet Wallet, the one that is being done by Admiral Yang. He also did a routing, which we don't have here yet. But so far, we're gonna implement it. It's just a matter of we have been really focusing on kind of like figuring out the UI and how we want things to kind of go. And also kind of fixing other things that we just needed to fix. And also we have kind of realized that we can actually do the bridge on wallet itself to use ICP. So that's something that I'm also looking forward to, but it's going to be a little bit right now. We're still kind of working on trying to make sure that we can get that bridge rolling. So yeah, we're putting a lot of efforts there. In regards to the decks, once again, when we come back, you have now different modes: manual, auto, AI, and copy. So copy, we still haven't fully done it yet, but eventually what we want to do is allow you to just put an address there and just kind of track it, so you can do the same things that that wallet does basically automatically. There won't be like any, do you want to do it, you don't want to do it, it would just be done automatically. So yeah, that's something that we're working on. And we have auto, which basically means, if right now the current ratio is 0.011892. Actually, now that I see this is the ratio of sol to kcall, but I might fix this so that it is kcall to sol, because I think it's much easier to understand. And then we'll fix all these ratios for that. But as of right now, it's sol to kcall, and that's the reason why you see that it's rather very, very small, right? That ratio. So just know for a fact that we're going to fix that. So yeah, I think for now, just for what we're doing, I think it's just working. You can still use this ratio. It's not like it's gonna disappear or anything like that. So just letting you know. But again, if you want to buy in below condition, sell above condition, you can use these, no problem. Again, all of this is a work in progress, so if you feel like we can do this better, let us know in our Telegram. We'll be more than happy to listen to what you guys are saying. All of this right now, this wallet works, but it's still, I would say, like in rough position, kind of like more in the prototype kind of stage, where we are kind of testing technologies and see how it works. So again, if you have any ideas to how to make this wallet super awesome, let us know, and then we'll be happy to work with you. And again, all of this is open source, which means that whatever we work with a wallet, we update it in GitLab, so you can use the information how we build this wallet, so you can make your own if you want to. That's not a problem. That's actually very cool coming in that regards, because we get to allow people to kind of experiment if they want to with their own wallets. And if you want to customize further than just using the things that we do, and you want to customize your code, you can do it. So yeah, anyways, auto is there, and AI, which is like the newest thing. So here you're gonna paste your API. You can see my API here, but again, this won't be an issue because I can change it by the time I upload this video. But yeah, you can put your API key here, and once you put your API there, your API key, which you can retrieve from OpenAI, because we're using OpenAI for this, You can say your trading strategy. I had a trading strategy here. We can say something that I realized is that we might need to put the ratios there actually, because we don't have the ratios there yet. So we might want to do that now that I think about it. But let's say right now we do know the ratio and it's around like 80. So we can say something like, I want to sell KCAL if the KCAL sold ratio goes above 90, right? So you can say something like this. This is just an example, right? It's one of the things that you can do. And so if you do this, okay, and you're gonna put right now your budget of like, I don't know, 10K call, because this is your budget. Here you're gonna put your budget. You click submit, okay, and it's gonna start retrieving data from the contract where we're storing data about the DEX pool. This is something that we're also doing on our end. It hasn't been made public until now, but we're basically running a server that is inputting all the data into a contract so that we can retrieve it from on-chain. In the meantime, so as you can see right here, the AI understood our request. It said we have a budget of 10K cal. We want to sell it at above 90, which doesn't really make sense, right? Again, you choose how you want to phrase it, okay? How you want to do it. But as of right now, with that 10K cal budget, we're basically saying, you know, sell it above 90, like we said right here, and then purchase it below 80, which is also what we say here, right? So another thing you can do, okay, because this is, you can say, oh, but I can just put this information, that's no problem. You can totally say something completely different. You can go here and put clear pending swaps. Let's try something cool with OpenAI. Let's see, let's say use Monte Carlo analysis. My current KCAL budget, my current KCAL budget is of 10. I would like maybe let's say 10. I would like 10 swaps that according to your Monte Carlo. Let me just quickly move this a little bit here because I'm not seeing it. According to your Monte Carlo analysis, your Monte Carlo analysis gives me the best way to accumulate SOL or increase my my token holdings. All right, we give it a budget of 10K call. Let me see. Yep. All right, and then you click submit. So again, more UI things that I need to do. It's not gonna tell you, hey, you know, loading or anything like that, but everything is a work in progress. Right now this thing works, so that's the main thing about it. But as we wait for it to kind of like finalize all the orders and everything, we're just gonna kind of like wait. And right there it says trading strategies submitted and orders created successfully. So let's see what it says. This is according to Monte Carlo analysis, which there's the beauty about this is that you don't have to do the analysis yourself. You have all the power from OpenAI to do it. We're using GPT-4o. I wanted to use O1, but it doesn't seem like it's available yet. I don't know. I have to check it because they changed a couple things. But as of right now, this is it. It tells you right there what are the pending orders that are gonna do. All you gotta do is leave your wallet open and it will automatically do all these trades right here. It's not gonna do any other trades except the ones that are here where it says pending orders, which I think is super awesome, right? So all of this is you doing a Monte Carlo analysis. And again, right now we're only focusing on the Sol KCAL pool, okay? And there hasn't been too much of a change in the DEX. But this is something that can happen, right? You can do that, follow that strategy and just let it run and let it do those trades for you. according to what you say. If you want to do something different, you can. I mean, I'm using Monte Carlo, but you can say choose the best. I don't know if you call this analysis. You could call it what? Use the best trading model prediction based on the data I'm sending to accumulate a lot of either Sol or KCAL. My budget is 10 KCAL. All right, so you can say that. Okay, my budget is 10 KCAL. So you can again click submit, or I mean, let's not forget, if you don't want to follow this, you can just quickly clear pending swaps. So we're gonna do submit again. You can even say something different. I mean, let's do for the next one, let's try and say my budget is oh yeah, we're waiting for it's retrieving the data again. And there you go. It gave me 2 because I didn't tell him to give me like 10 options. Okay, so it told me right there KCAL to Sol at 85 or below 85, and then Sol to KCAL at 87. Okay, sorry. It logged me off. Okay, so it'd be like that. We just gotta log in again. All right, so yeah. Anyways, that's one trading strategy. What else can we do? Okay. Oh, and the pending orders are still there, which is awesome. Okay, so let's say my budget is between 1 to 10. Use the best known prediction model. Give me 10. Again, let's do 10. Give me 10 swaps. Let's put here KCAL. Let's not forget KCAL. Give me 10 swaps that will allow me to I don't know what else can we say. Allow me to accumulate the most Sol or KCAL, whichever one, right? Put here again value. We're gonna put 10 here budget, but we already kind of mentioned 1 through 10, so let's go ahead and click submit. So again, we just gotta wait, and I'm realizing, you know, as I'm making this video, there's obviously a lot of improvements that we can do. There's a lot of work here, guys. It's not little work. There's a lot of work. There's so many things, and I'm gonna give you a hint for one of them. Actually, I'm actually working on something I call rapid fire AI. I think you guys are gonna like it. Let's see. Did it do? I think it did. Yeah. It did. It looks some. This is kind of weird right now because it doesn't really show you like how much is in with decimals included, but it looks like it's using 1 and 10. Let's say let's try it again, and let's say let's use between, my budget is between 1 through 10 KCAL. Let's see if that will change it a little bit, because right now it was doing 1 and 10 KCAL, right? So let's see what happens if we change that. It might just pick this one up, because this is we're saying 10 KCAL like straight up. We just want 10, but we're saying 1 through 10. I might just get rid of that budget here, because if we're just gonna let the AI use this, then we can just do that. That won't be a problem, but it'll be, yeah, it looks, yeah, it's, oh no, this is Sol. Okay, yeah, so it's, yeah, so we are basically saying hard code, your budget is 10 KCAL. If you want me to change that, we can, you know, we can change that. That's not a problem. But again, it's very, very cool, right? Because now you can just use AI to do trading for you, to do an analysis for you. You can make the prompt definitely bigger, put more stuff into it. You can go crazy, right? And you can see which prompt works the best for you, right? We are planning to do like some sort of like prompt market where you can sell your prompts, but just know that will take some time to do. But we do have something along the line that we can allow you to sell your prompts, basically, and a way for rating the prompts. So yeah. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this video. I think it's super amazing, super cool. I'm like super happy with what we have accomplished here. Um, Again, it's been a lot of work on this AI part, at least on our end. And we just can't wait until we keep on developing more so that it works with Saturn. And at least on other updates, we're working still on the bridge. We're trying to do one single transaction, and it's taken a long time because we don't have the tools for it. So yeah. And then on the game side, we have done a lot of contracts. We just gotta update the website to use those contracts, and then we gotta test it, and we gotta change the server code now. So we gotta change the server code on the front end for the game. We have on single player, we have actually updated a lot of like functions that we want to use for multiplayer in regards to visuals. So that's something that we might be able to do hopefully also for multiplayer, so it looks nicer, because right now multiplayer looks like it did before, which is very raw, and we want to change that. So yeah. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this episode, and I will see you next time. I hope you have enjoyed. Take care, guys. Cheers. Woo!